Ven a cocinar algo espectacular en la cocina de Pilar.
Hello guys, welcome to Pilar's Kitchen. Today, I want to show you how to prepare pozole. I've been making this recipe for over 33 years and it's always a crowd pleaser. Everyone that tries this loves it. The ingredients are the next. Pati carretero. This one is for you. We're going to use 6 pounds of white hominy. I'm using this one specifically, but you can use whichever brand you prefer. 4 pounds of pork loin. I like it with less fat, so you can just ask your butcher for it. Half an onion, 5 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of oregano, and 3 bay leaves. And for the sauce, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of cumin, a quarter onion, salt to taste, and I'm gonna put 15 guajillo peppers, as well as 3 ancho peppers with all the seeds out. I'm going to pour 1 liter of water on the chiles, and we are going to let them boil for a few minutes. We are going to add the pork loin to 12 liters of boiling water. Remember to use a pot that is much bigger than all the ingredients put together. We are going to add the white hominy as well and let it boil for 30 minutes, and then we will add the rest of the ingredients. Here the peppers are ready. We are going to blend them and strain them. After straining them, we are going to re-blend them, adding the onion and the cumin. Let's strain it really, really well. This is the texture that you are aiming for. It is kind of like a thick mole. Yours could have been a little thicker, but it's fine. Okay, I have already added the rest of the ingredients for our salsa. Let's add the rest of the ingredients onto our soup. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's add the bay leaves, the oregano, we added the garlic. Here the onion, you can just put it whole because we're going to take that out at the end. Let's add all the sauce together. Oh yes. Let's just mix it. And let's cook it for an additional hour. Okay, now you know it's ready because the hominy pops open like so. That's what you're looking for. The only thing it's left is to season to taste. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of the chicken bouillon. Let's leave it for 10 minutes on low heat. It already smells amazing. I'm really excited. Okay, we are done. It is ready. I added some lettuce, some radish, a little chopped onion, and just a pinch of oregano at the top. It's also really good to add a little spiciness if you're in the mood for that. If not, you can just leave it out. I have some limes and tostadas because I just like to eat it like that. But right now it's really, really hot, so I'm gonna wait a few minutes for it to cool and I'll eat it. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day. We'll see you on the next recipe.